If YouTube on your PC or laptop keeps showing connect to the internet even though your internet is working, it usually is caused by browser glitches or corrupted cache. So in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh and reconnect internet. First, make sure your internet is actually working. Try opening another website. If it works, disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. To do this, click your Windows search bar. Now type settings. Open it up and then go to the network and internet section. From here, go to the advanced network settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, then disable Wi-Fi from here, then re-enable it. If you're using Ethernet, then disable it from here and then re-enable it. After this, try opening YouTube and check your issue. Solution 2. Reset your browser settings. Now I'm using Chrome as an example, but other browsers you use will also have a similar option, so you can look that up. First, open Chrome. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Now on the left side, you will see an option called Reset Settings. Click on it. After that, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Now simply confirm your choice. This will disable your extensions, delete your cookies, and history of Chrome. Hopefully with this, your problem will be gone. And that's how you can fix connect to the internet error on YouTube for your PC or laptop. If this solves your issue, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.